Folks, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I got a PM from somebody about lines on concrete. Folks, there's literally only two possible reasons why you've got stripes on concrete. Either one, it's new or really old concrete and you've etched the surface, or two, which is more common, and I would say probably 99% or 90% of the time people post about it, is that the area is not completely cleaned. The stripes are actually the clean spots. The spots in between are the not completely clean spots. Obviously, if you etch concrete, that's on you. You know, if it's new concrete, you don't want to take the cream off. You don't want to jack it up like that. And if it's really, really porous or really old, it's going to be something different. You might need to post-treat with a little bit of bleach or whatever, soap or detergent that you like to use. The problem that I see is that most times the advice is just, you just need to spray bleach on it before and after. Some guys will soft wash concrete and they'll just use a bunch of bleach. Personally, it's not worth it. If you have, if you're seeing these lines, that there's a bunch of things, again, as far as not getting it completely clean. You're walking too fast. You have a oversized surface cleaner or a undersized pressure washer. Again, the 2 inches per gallon per minute. Your tips could be clogged or partially clogged. That's going to contribute to you not getting a complete clean on all of the area that the surface cleaner is going over. Michael Kreisey's got an excellent video on the First Choice Power Washing page where he talks about, again, the fact that at the edges, they're getting more time with a nozzle over them than the center area is. Okay? Each area might get 2 passes there, but at the sides, it's getting so many more passes because the difference in when, as you go around, it's getting hit, versus the areas around are only getting hit twice. Now, I understand obviously it's rotating super, super fast, but again, each little bit that you're moving around and in all those RPMs, if it's done properly, it should completely clean it. But again, that comes back to, is it tips? Are they worn? Are they partially clogged? And what you can do for that, stop the machine, or stop the pressure washer, turn over the surface cleaner, put your boot, or your foot in your boot onto the bar, and then turn it on and look at the sprays. Does one look different? You should have a pretty noticeable bit of vibration too, if that's the case. So the way to solve this is to check those things, to make sure that that you're using the appropriate size surface cleaner for what for the machine that you have, that you are again properly cleaning the surface, that you're not going too fast over it. Especially if you start seeing swirl marks, you definitely know you've gone too fast. You should. The goal there is to make sure that all of this is cleaned 100% every time, all the time. People that'll say, "Oh, you need to go back and forth." It's hiding it a little bit better. But if you completely clean, if it's 100% clean, it's 100% clean. You can't. 100% clean is not going to look different on the outsides and the insides. No, it's going to be, if it is 100% clean, it is 100% clean. The other thing, guys, the post-treating with bleach. If it's really, really porous concrete and you got some deep set-in stains, I can agree to that. But in general, I think that it is unnecessary to throw more bleach on it. So, anyways, I hope that helps. I know this is a commonly asked question. Have a great day.